The sun just got done charring the other end of the world, and it's time for another day in our little slice of late summer in Wisconsin. Quick coffee, quick gas, on the water. I don't want to miss our opportunity today. An old radio mentor of mine once told me, opportunities are like sunrises. If you aren't paying attention or wait too long, you miss them. We started this adventure like so many others, expecting to chase smallmouth bass on local waters. That's not how today went down at all. En route to track down something to catch, my old man noticed seagulls feeding aggressively. Middle of the lake, 24 feet of water. I've noticed my dad's always paid attention to feeding birds over the years. He knows where there are feeding birds, there's bait. Where there's bait, there's schools of fish. White bass are open water predators focusing primarily on large schools of smaller forage fish. White bass in there?
Yep.
They often work in areas where they can work together to concentrate baitfish. In our lakes, we look for baitfish. White bass tend to swim around searching for baitfish. So where you find large schools of baitfish, you're sure to find hungry white bass nearby. Today's Seagulls led us right to this massive school of white bass.
There we go. Get your rod, Rick. See if they're still out here, or if they've all moved over. Nope, they're out here. They're still out here. Oh, look at them coming back at us, coming right at the boat. Whoa! We'll keep a few of these to eat, and then we'll just catch and release everything else. There we go. Right out on the open water. When you see those seagulls going, get after them, boys. There. Oh, there, I got him. Got us a double here, so they're back up again. Oh yeah, you get nice fish like these and they're fun. Well, they like the drastic. Here they are. School's up again over here, look at them. It's funny how quick they can make that cover that 100 yards, isn't it?
It is.
They're all along here. They're down in here, they're up here.
Look at that group right there, just nuts.
Oh yeah, right here, right here. There he is. Yeah, they're liking drastic, boy. Oop. Hit's right here.
Keep your fish over there.
I'm trying to. Boy, they're like silver bullets out here.
Yeah.
Gotta watch that fin on them on the bottom and on the back. They'll get you. Nice big white bass. There, they're coming up again out there. I'm gonna put a new minnow on here in a minute. And these are pretty tough minnows. Darn. Whoa, there we go. Chaos. Boy, big one, did he ever eat it. Look at the size of that one.
That is a big one.
Boy, he ate it too. I'll slide us that way a little bit. The school is kind of, whoa, there we go, right here at the boat. I was gonna slide us that way, but I got one right here. He hit it. I let it drop. Oh, here they come back again. You can see them on the surface. Yeah. Fish fry time. Oh, here they are right here at school. It's right on the boat. Whoa, there he is. Right there, throw right into that school, you'll get one right there. Oh man, these are nice. Big fish. Oh, right there. Oh, taking drag. I'm glad I got 8-pound line on. Kind of glad I didn't take the 4-pound ultralight. I mean, it'd be fun, but holy cow, you'd be fighting them forever. These are some dandy big white bass. Great year class.
Yeah, there's definitely no shortage.
No. This guy said he's gonna run right through us. Right through him.
That one hit it literally right here.
Yeah, here they are again. They're up again. That boat put them down for a little while. There we go. Boy, he ate it. Man, oh man, you can't even see the bait. They don't want it to get away from him, do they? Oh, look at the osprey up there. See him?
Yeah.
He's right over the top of it, too. Well, I'm going to move us that way a little bit with the trolling motor, so. School's moving, chasing bait here. Whoa, I had one hit it right here. Nice, aren't they?
They are.
Yeah, they're coming back this way now. Oh, that osprey, did you see him go down?
Yep.
He's right in amongst those seagulls. He didn't get one, I don't think. They're moving too fast for him. All right, the major part of the school's over there. Here we go again. Chasing the birds. That osprey, look at him, here he goes. He's going down. He sees one. Whoa, he started to. Abort. Here he comes again, coming around. He sees him for a second. See, those white bass are moving pretty quick.
Look at them all. Just
look right here.
So are the seagulls trying to get the bait too?
Yeah, they're getting the bait that the white bass are pushing to the surface. The bass chase them up and the other fish get on them. Well, there we go, over on here. I got us anchored up, so. Jeepers. They're fun and they're big. Whoa. Look at them right here. Whoa, that hit the water. Oh. Like this, a little quicker. There he is. A little quicker jerks. See, a little quicker jerk kind of triggers them a little bit, is what it does. Whoa, there we go. We're sitting right here and they're coming back to us. Whoa, thinks he's a smallmouth.
Look at him just swipe at this. Watch
They're
this.
all over there. Yeah, they like that, don't they?
I mean, just,
There we
it's just
go.
non-stop when you,
I know what they're
and all
all
you
around
see
the
is
boat.
flash, flash, flash. So crazy.
Yeah, they sure are. They're really feeding up. I'm gonna put a new bait on here in a minute. This one took her right off on me.
I'm just bringing mine upside down. That osprey doesn't even care that we're out here.
No, he doesn't care. All he sees is these fish hitting the surface, and he's gonna have one. The minnows are probably trying to get up under the boat. Here they come. They're right by the boat again. Whoa, there he is. There he is. Whoa, jeepers. Get up here, buddy. Look at how fat they are from eating, from feeding. Look at that. Oh, missed it. It's not fun, is it?
They're big too.
Yeah, and on light tackle, it's a ball. Not seeing them splashing.
It's funny, when I've had them here from shore, when they stop, they stop.
When they go down, well, they've depleted the school of minnows.
They've eaten them all.
Thanks for catching a boatload of white bass with fishing roots. We appreciate having you along. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe and click the bell if you want to be notified when there's new content available for you. More from Fishing Roots soon.